Sometimes I'd be like, I can't figure out what to eat. I'm just not gonna eat. And for you out there who have children, you can't just not feed them. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title, we are doing another little weekly reset. I'm just going to be taking you through the day with me while I get ready for a new week. Today is a cardio and abs only day, so I'm just going to work out at home. Right now, I just have my protein coffee. I actually ran out of protein powder, so I'm just using, we had it for life in there, like a chocolate for life. I would prefer the core power, like lower in calories and have way more protein. It's something to get the day started. Obviously, I'm getting my sheets ready. That is the first thing to go. You got a weekly reset, always start with your sheets. But I'm getting ready to map out what we're gonna be eating this week. Pre-workout snack, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then my grocery list. I usually eat the same things in rotation, but every once in a while, I like to throw something new in there. So I'm just trying to figure out what we wanna eat this week. It's been one of those times where it's just like, nothing at home sounds good. Like, I just don't wanna eat at home. We've been having a lot more fast food lately than we normally do. But after this video, I am gonna do what I eat in a day fast food edition. So I'm gonna show you guys how I eat fast food and still stay in my calorie deficit. Yeah, we've been having a lot of fast food. That's kind of the only thing that sounds good to me right now. But I need to get my life together. I need to get together. The deficit has still been fantastic. I'm trying to decide if I was gonna do my weight loss update in this video alongside my weekly reset, but I actually wanna do that video on its own, by itself. That way I can kind of break down everything that I'm doing. So it won't be in this video, but stay tuned for that one too. I'm gonna plan my food out now. I'm gonna put in my order for my groceries, do cardio, come home, shower, start cleaning up a little bit, and then by the time I'm done, usually with that, then I can go pick up the groceries. Like, that's the worst thing about being an adult, is figuring out what to eat. Like, every day, all day. And I even got kids. Oh, sometimes I'd be like, I can't figure out what to eat, I'm just not gonna eat. And for you out there who have children, you can't just not feed them. Couldn't be me, couldn't be me. The pre-workout meal. Protein coffee, apple oats. Post-workout, I think I'm gonna go with my egg toast. Lunch, chicken pita. And then lastly, we got dinner, a taco bowl. So I'm gonna have, now I'm just kind of list out each ingredient that I need for each meal. I still don't have protein yet, so I'm gonna just get a few protein drinks, protein shakes, more apple oats. Oh, I need sourdough. Chicken thighs. I can't even see the bottom of the page. My bad. Almond milk. Oops. Alright, this is what I'm working with. I add some more things in the cart, but I'm getting ready to place the grocery pickup order now. And then I'm gonna go downstairs and go get my cardio in.
This ain't what you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Hoes gon' be hoes, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, niggas be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bane making plays till we crashing, yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Dripping wetter from head to toe, little baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my ride. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. On God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. I know you grateful that I stayed down. We leave the past in the past, that's all done now. Glad that we stayed down. We gon' pull up in a whip, start a new trend. Every inch of our skin is the blueprint. Follow the lines. They act like they forget, let's remind them. Be my ride. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way.
Alright, showered. I wasn't gonna wash my hair, but I decided I'm gonna start washing my hair more, especially with this Houston heat and this weather and then my scalp and stuff. It just has to be cleaned more often. I'm gonna be using my Inner Sense. I'm just using these up, a curl control and a create hold. I might use a mousse. Thank God it's natural, TGIN. I'm gonna be styling my wash and goes different each time to see what looks the best and what takes the least amount of time. Because what looks the best, I usually finger coil every single one. That takes forever. I would love to just do kind of like the pull method. I'm gonna try that out. The only thing is like half of my hair gets curly and then the roots are still kind of puffy. So I'm trying to figure out how can I get my roots to coil up as well as the rest of my hair. But let's try this out. Oh, okay. So tell me why Tron's car got stolen out of our parking lot a few days ago. So we've been dealing with that. Someone literally came into our gated community when there's supposed to be security. They came here and they broke his window, stole the car, but then the car across the street, across from where we parked, they stole all 4 of their tires. So that car is currently still sitting out there on blocks. Tron's car ended up getting found the same exact day. He has an Infinity, so he signed up for like a tracker. So Infinity, and they end up finding the car the same day, and it's just been a mess. So his car is damaged, his key doesn't work. Now we do have car insurance. We do have full insurance on his car, but gotta pay that deductible. By the way, this towel is not gonna stop much from getting all over me, but it's gonna stop it from rubbing on my back, because I do get back acne, and if you don't know, if you can't figure out why, your hair products can be a reason. So I'm just stopping it from touching my upper back where I be breaking out. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the gel. A little bit loose. I'm gonna zoom in so I can show you what it looks like when I usually use this, right? Because the ends, I'll brush it and see how like that'll coil right on up right here. I'll just bam. And then I'll do a little coil. But I want it to do that to the whole section, not just the bottom. See, like, I get a little bit, but not much. You know what? I'm just gonna go for it, and then if it doesn't work out, it's okay because I'm gonna be washing it in 5 days again anyway.
No way they can never pay us. No way they could ever bring us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas, stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever bring us up. On God, they could only try to keep up.
Okay, so my hair is like 90% dry, maybe 80% dry right now. I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna go and pick up the groceries, and then when my hair is completely dry, I'm gonna come back and actually like separate the curls. That ended up taking just as long as if I were to finger coiled each one separately. We'll see what it looks like when it's completely dry and I actually start to separate it. And then day 2, day 3 hair, I'm sure it'll look like way better. Right now, I look like a wet dog. And with just like some moisturizer and... Hi, baby. Take you a little nap.
The left side of the menu is going to be our poke side, which is mostly fish and a few chicken and tofu items, being our poke bowls, burrito rolls, and our donuts. While the right side of the menu is going to be our ramen and back of house cooking.
Okay, I'm gonna do the super poke bowl, but I don't like salmon.
Right, so we can take out the salmon. Is there a protein you'd like to replace it with?
Can I do the shrimp tempura or is that sick?
You can.
Okay, I'm gonna do the shrimp tempura. Then I would also like to remove the beets and edamame.
No beets. Any extra toppings you want to replace those you took out? Same.
Oh, is masago on there?
Yeah, it's not. We can add it on
Can I
there.
add that?
Yes, ma'am.
And I'm also gonna do a side of pork gyoza, a lychee strawberry
Soda
refresher.
Yes, ma'am.
So I thought that was gonna be a quick little pickup. It was not quick. You see how dark it is outside now? It was not dark when I went in there. I'm gonna wait to eat at home, but I am gonna have my gyoza right now because your girl's starving. They're fresh, super fresh and super crispy. I wish the sauce was a little sweeter though. It's super vinegary. I just got to HEB. On the app, it just gives you like where you can check in. You just pull into the spot. I am in spot D. And then I'm just gonna open my trunk for them so they can just put it right in the trunk. Y'all, that man didn't say a single word. He usually come up and say hi. I usually say thank you, all of that. He popped it in there, closed it, and dipped. I couldn't even tell him thank you. I was like, okay. Oh, here's the second order? Yes.
It's 2 orders, right?
Yes, 2 orders.
You want all
Yeah,
both of
in the
them?
trunk. Wait, did that guy put the... Question, you have both orders?
Yeah.
Okay, because the guy just put, okay, I don't think this is my order. A guy just walked out and he put this in my trunk. Yeah. And the other guy definitely just put somebody else's order in my trunk.
This is yours. So the order that you got was for the lady who right next to you.
Oh, okay. I was like,
I think that
All right, we Gucci. Got the right order. I'm home. I pretty much showed you guys everything that I was gonna get with when I wrote down the meal plan this morning. But I'm just gonna quickly run through this stuff. Anyway, we got 2 massive things of Diet Dr. Pepper because that guy over there drinks 4 a day. Lemons, onion, limes, jalapenos, cucumbers, my sliced sourdough, more of my butter oats, apple cinnamon, and not buy orange juice, but I wonder if they're, I think they left some of that lady's stuff still in my car, or maybe they just gave me something. I did not order orange juice, so that guy will drink it because he drinks everything. So orange juice, cilantro, some jasmine rice, the frozen rice. Y'all know I usually get the ones from Trader Joe's, but they have it at HEB now, and HEB is closer to us. A few boxes of those. We just keep these in the freezer at all times. Chomps. We love these little beef sticks. Made some almond milk. I already have some in the fridge, so I didn't need any. Feta, and then some tzatziki. Listen, I pick and choose in things that I have vegan, and other things I'll like keep dairy. If I can have it vegan, I'm gonna have it vegan. So the tzatziki is vegan, but just a few little feta crumbles ain't gonna hurt nobody. I got my fruit bowl. I always get a big old fruit bowl. Tons of ground beef. 2 packs of chicken thighs. Chopped pecans, tomatoes, and some avocado. I did end up grabbing just a couple more things of eggs. I got some potatoes for my taco bowl. And then also, because I'm out of protein powder, I got just some core powders. So I can have this in the morning until I get some bean in the mail. I'll put away. Now it's time to eat. Oh no, my bowl spilled when I dropped it on the ground. All right, here we got my poke bowl. I got some tuna. What was all in there? I don't know. There's 3 different kinds of fish. Oh, tuna, crab, shrimp. I think 2 types of tuna. So just like, I think the spicy tuna and just the regular tuna. I forgot. Cucumber salad. We got some salad mix, some rice, some carrots, seaweed salad, cabbage, ginger. Just a whole bunch of stuff in here. And then it's topped with eel sauce and spicy mayo. A lychee's strawberry refresher. Ooh, that's sweet. Oh my gosh. It's so sweet. I don't think I'm gonna drink this. Let me go see if my man back there wants it. He didn't even have to taste it. He just knew he wanted it. So I'm gonna just go with my Dr. Pepper. Let's eat. Mmm. Alright, my hair is completely dry for the most part. I've just been sitting on the couch watching YouTube this whole time. But I want to separate some of these chunky curls here. We're gonna see how this wash and go turns out. I mean, some of these curls look good. Like, that's heat damage right there. Y'all see that? Gotta get that middle part bust down every time.
Say buzz down.
Middle part bust down. You know what that mean, baby? Just got a little cap satin lining inside. Get all in. I don't really do pineapples as often anymore, outside of just like when I'm going to the gym. But I try not to, just because it stretches out the front part of my hair, and that part is already straight and it's not very long. Yeah, thank you so much for tuning in if you made it to the end of this video. The next video I will be giving you guys a physique update on this cut. I was waiting until I hit a certain number, so we're gonna see after I check in. But that video should drop this week. I'll break down everything I've been doing. I will see you guys next video. Good night.